Imagine a trade bridge stretching from Delhi to London, not made of steel or concrete, but of opportunity, innovation, and shared prosperity. After 3 years of intense negotiations, India and the United Kingdom have finally concluded their much awaited free trade agreement, a deal that could redefine economic relations between the two historic partners. This FTI is no ordinary pact. It spans 27 comprehensive chapters covering everything from digital trade to environmental cooperation. And there's more. Both countries have agreed to a double contribution convention, a social security agreement ensuring that working professionals across borders won't have to pay contributions in both countries at the same time. For businesses and professionals, the benefits are immense. Around 99% of Indian exports will now enjoy zero duty access to the UK market. That's almost the entire trade value. In return, India will slash tariffs on 90% of British goods, with 85% becoming tariff free within a decade. Mobility gets a boost too. Indian professionals from IT experts to yoga instructors will find it easier to work in the UK with clear pathways for business visitors, investors, and intra corporate transferees, along with their families. This agreement is also a landmark for services. The UK has offered ambitious commitments to IT, financial services, education, and more. British companies can now participate in Indian public procurement, competing for contracts in goods, services, and construction. For India, the FTI is crafted with safeguards. Sensitive sectors like dairy and certain industrial goods are excluded, protecting domestic interest. Plus, tariff cuts will be priced in gradually, giving Indian industry time to adapt. This deal isn't just about bilateral trade, it's a template for future FTIs with development nations. It shows how India can negotiate modern trade agreements while protecting its economy, learning from past challenges like trade imbalance, low FTI utilization, and non tariff barrier. The India UK Free Trade Agreement is more than ink on paper. It's a statement that in a world of shifting alliances and economic uncertainty, India and the UK are ready to write the next chapter together, blending tradition with modern trade ambitions.